It's Carla and I'm here again in my kitchen today to make roasted chicken with shrimp butter and new potatoes. This is a very springy recipe. It has very few ingredients and it is very fast. So I'm gonna use a couple of tablespoons of Danish Creamery unsalted butter. The butter fat that is really going to like wake up the thyme. It's gonna draw out the essential oils from the lemon as well. It's also gonna keep the chicken from drying out while it's at this like pretty high temp. So essentially, I'm starting to build a pan sauce on the top of the chicken. There's a lot of really deep, rich flavors. There's salty flavors, roasty, toasty flavors, and so saucy. You get that gorgeous glossiness from the butter and the incredible color from the shrimp paste and from the paprika that's on the chicken. Oh my God. May all your days be buttery and shrimpy.